Starts with D. Today I'm going to show you a project of what I'm working on. I bought this, of course, me with my clearance finds. My new bedroom and bathroom have all the barn doors, and I found this mirror on clearance on Wayfair. It was on a closeout sale, but it wasn't the color that I wanted. I didn't want the lighter wood. So I decided to talk with my builder, and he matched the stain that he used throughout the house, and actually left a can here at the house so I could use it for any of my future projects. So I'm going to stain this mirror the color that I want. So just so you know, if you see something on clearance that you like and it's not the right color, or if you see anything that you love and it's just not the right color, a little bit of stain, a little bit of paint, and you can make it just the way you want it. Take a look. Okay, so as you can see, I've done 3 coats, and I've only have a limited amount of painter's tape, so I didn't want to stop mid-project and get more. So I'm just going to wait for the sides to dry, reuse that tape on the bottom and the top, and then do that trim. And then I'll see how it looks after the 3 coats, and I'll decide if it needs any more coating, but it looks good. Exactly what I wanted.